Hey, how are you doing? Today, I'm going to be building a computer. Building a computer is like painting a picture. It's an art, and it has to be done carefully and properly. Firstly, you're going to need a tool. Your screwdriver. Screwdriver is like your best friend. You got to respect it, and you have to learn how to use it. Reminds me of my friend Timmy. Firstly, the power supply. This box gives energy to the rest of the computer to make sure it keeps going. I need something like a power supply for myself. Place your power supply into the case, and now using your best friend, carefully screw in the screws holding it in the power supply. Like so, making sure it doesn't move around. Next, we have the motherboard. Ironically, the motherboard is like a mother, making sure every part cooperates and works together. Just like Martha, before she left me. Martha, if you're watching this video, please come back. You have to place the motherboard carefully into the computer, ever so gently, making sure you don't damage the motherboard, because the motherboard is very, very sensitive. Like Martha, you want to just gently place it into the computer, and then screw in, using all your screws, or 6 of your screws, using your best friend. Just screw in the motherboard, like so. As you may be able to tell, I can't reach that screw because it's on an angle. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to bend my best friend. Just bend it a little, because I need to reach that screw. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently tap, gently tap on the side of my computer. Just making sure I can bend it just a little bit without damaging any of the computer components. Just ever so gently, just tap it on the bottom of the side. As you can tell, I've decapitated my best friend. That's what you get for not paying me back my $25, Jimmy. Good thing I always bring backup. Back to the computer, y'all. This is the RAM, but it's only 2 gigabytes, which is a little issue. But hey, issues are a part of life. Just look at my brother. So, to solve this issue, we just need another one of them. And like so, 4 gigabytes of RAM. You just want to slowly, surely just slot that into the motherboard. Like so. And just leave it there. Okay, almost done. Next is the hard drive. This is the hard drive. The hard drive remembers every little thing that you have done. Kinda like Martha. Please forgive me, Martha. You just want to slot your hard drive into your computer, nice and gently, little to no force, making sure it's in there nice and snug. Okay guys, we're almost done. Just for the last part. This is the graphics card. This graphics card is the best and most expensive part of this computer build. This graphics card cost me around $400, and you have to be very, very careful with your graphics card when putting it into the computer. Just ever so slightly, just slot it into the computer, making sure you don't damage it at all. Okay guys, now we're finished. Thanks for watching.